This week's spelling words can be found when you go to Courses, English Language Arts. From there, click on Modules. You'll notice that this week's current module is moved to the very top. I want you to also notice that it says all assignments due by Friday, April 28th, 2023. That is to give students time throughout the week to complete assignments, especially if you're testing for iLearn this week. There are a couple of optional activities below, but let's start here with spelling words. List 4. Please take a look at List 4 from Charlotte's Web below. Watch the video, which will be uploaded soon. Use paper, pencil, or pen to write your words one time each. Then write one sentence using one of your spelling words. Make sure you use a capital and a period. Turn in your words by uploading a picture. The words this week are miracle, terrific, famous, message, morning, community, pitchfork, crisp, bacon, package, dictionary, action, ground, beautiful, straw. Let's write these words. For 1, miracle, M-I-R-A-C-L-E. There was a miracle in the barn in the shape of a spider's web. Number 2, terrific, T-E-R-R-I-F-I-C. Wilbur is a terrific pig. Number 3, famous, F-A-M-O-U-S. The Zuckerman farm became famous because of Wilbur. Number 4, message, M-E-S-S-A-G-E. Charlotte sends Templeton out to find the message so that she may find another word for the web. 5, morning. Every morning when the sun comes up, there is a beautiful sunset. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Number 6, community, C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. The community was in awe of Wilbur. Community. Number 7, pitchfork, P-I-T-C-H-F-O-R-K. A compound word because pitch and fork could also make sense if they were standing alone as two different words. On a farm, you may need a pitchfork to move around the hay. Number 8, crisp, C-R-I-S-P. The mornings on the farm were crisp, and sometimes there was dew on the ground. Number 9, bacon. B-A-C-O-N. Bacon. Charlotte is helping Wilbur figure out a way to not be turned into bacon. Number 10, package. P-A-C-K-A-G-E. There is a package in the mail. Package. Those are your first 10 words. Let's finish up with the second page. Well, it takes me 2 pages with our last 5 words in a sentence. Number 11. Dictionary. D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y. A dictionary is used to help you find the spelling and the meaning of words. Number 12. Action. A-C-T-I-O-N. There was a lot of action around the farm after miracle after miracle occurred in Charlotte's Web. 13. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. The ground was wet with dew in the mornings. Ground. Number 14. This may have been a spelling word before, but it's a little tricky to spell, so we're going to have this one more time. Beautiful. B-E-A-U. T-I-F-U-L. Wilbur thought Charlotte was so beautiful. Last word, straw. S-T-R-A-W. Straw. Many farms contain haylofts with bales of straw. Now I'm going to choose one of the words and use one word in a sentence. I'm going to use the word terrific, because that's actually one word that I sometimes still misspell because I put 2 F's by mistake. So I'm going to write the word terrific once more just to help me remember that terrific has 2 R's, not 2 F's. The web had the word terrific. T-E-R-R-I-F-I-C. The web had the word terrific written inside. I'm going to underline the word terrific so I'll know that my teacher can see the word that I used in a sentence. After you finished, take a picture, upload those for your assignment, and have a wonderful rest of your day.